Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today is April 24th, Saturday. Hope you are having a great start to your weekend. And today is Spotlight Series Day. So in Spotlight today is the low stock price and possibly high confidence stocks. So we will take a look at various trends to find out whether ARK has high confidence in these, or are they buying the dips, or are they buying even when the stock price goes up? That really shows their confidence, right? So we will figure that out. We'll try to figure it out. Who knows what their real strategy is, but we'll try to go through the data and trends and see look at some of the low stock price companies and whether they have high confidence or not. Some of the companies that pop up or will be featured are Nano Dimension, Palantir Skills, Open Door, Echo Bounty, Butterfly Network, and many others actually. So we have them sorted in terms of how much investment they have in those companies, and also we'll be looking at the trends over time. So stay with me to find out more about these, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back. Today in the Spotlight series, we are featuring all the companies that ARK is invested in, but with a filter of stock price less than $25. So and I've gone ahead and arranged them in order of the investment they have in these companies. So Pure Storage is topping the charts with more than $500 million invested in this company. And I've been recording data since January 26th. So the trends that we will look at is from that day onwards. I don't have complete trends. So we'll try to derive whether they are confident in these companies or not. So this is more than $500 million investment there. And as I hover over as I hover over these charts, you'll see more information pop up. And this company stock price is $20.52. So these bar charts, this part of chart is for the stock price, and this one is for the total investment they have in those companies. So when I hover over Pure Storage, you can see total count of shares is going down since the time I've been recording, which is January 26th or 27th onwards. The stock price went up, looks like, up to some like Feb mid or so, and then it started going down. So it's hard to tell whether they are super confident in this or not, but if you look at only shares count, looks like they are trying to reduce. They're trying to get rid of it a little bit, if not a lot, but they have reduced about 10 million shares in past 3 months. So I would say maybe not so confident. So obviously this is just my opinion, guys. I don't know what their actual strategy is. I'm going to hover over all of these companies, and then you can make up your own opinion as well. It's present in Pure Storage is present in 3 different ETFs, as you can see. Next, let's take a look at, and also Pure Storage, if you look at the total market value, it was about 0.84 billion, so much more near 1 billion, and now it is $500 million. It is a function of both of those. They've been reducing shares, and the stock price is down as well. So take it with a grain of salt, guys. Let's move over to Palantir. So Palantir Technologies, look at the shares trend there. It's just simply going up, and it's not only going up, it has gone up by 10x. So they started since January 26th is since the time I've been recording. So this chart is starting there, 2 million shares, and now 20 million shares. Look at that. So that, I feel, is real confidence there. They're showing a lot of confidence in that. They are invested about $461 million in Palantir, and the stock price has been going down overall, if you see. So it could very well be that they are buying the dips. So we have to find out. Only time can tell whether this investment of theirs is going to play out well or not. But looks like they are very confident in this, present in 2 ETFs. Takeda Pharmaceuticals, again present in ARK Genomics company. They have been buying a lot, but then after mid-Feb or end of Feb, they have been selling a lot as well. So in about 3 months' time, February, March, April, or January, from January end, the shares count is kind of constant, 19.33 million to 18.89 million. So a little bit down, but doesn't tell me a lot about their confidence. So I don't know, maybe 50-50 there. Open Door Technologies, which is like Amazon of real estate, where they're invested about $238 million in that, stock price 18.69, and they're in 2 ETFs, Next Generation Web and Next Generation FinTech. They have been buying a lot of shares, so it's more than doubled. If you look at the shares count, it is 5.72 million to 12.72 million. This is a SPAC, is a SPAC by Chamath Palihapitiya, and the stock price has been trending downward. So yeah, who knows whether they have a lot of confidence in this or not, or maybe they are buying the dips. So only time will tell. Skills is another such controversial company. A $200 million investment there, $16.57 is the stock price, and stock price has been going down, and they have been buying the dips by a lot. So it was not even 1 million shares that they had. They had under 1 million shares at the end of January, and now they have 12.09 million. So this is more than 10x stocks that they have bought now. So I'll hover over a lot of these companies. I don't want to make a long video, guys. So take a look at, you can pause the video and take a look at how they have been trending. These are all the companies that are low in stock price, and they have invested heavily in those. So after skills, it's Cirrus, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. That's how it looks. Stratus, Huya, Cordix, Cirrus, Personalis, and Nano Dimension. So this is one stock that many people are very bullish on and talk about a lot as well. A lot of YouTubers as well. Present in 4 different ETFs: Sprint, Israel, Next Generation Web, and ARK, Robotics and Autonomous, RQ. They have about $121 million invested in it. And end of January, they started with 11.27 millions, and it has reached to 16.67 millions, and number of shares, I mean, and the stock price has been going down. So it very well could be they're buying the dips. But if you look at the longer trend for this, I don't have the data right now, but I have been following this company in ARK position for quite some time in past year as well, since the time it was under $5. So and they have been buying a lot of this company shares. This company is a niche within a niche. It prints circuit boards and chips with 3D printing technology that they have. And they have recently made an acquisition as well. DeepCube is the name, which provides algorithms, AI algorithms to do a lot of QA checks and save a lot of time and money by detecting the defects and preventing them from happening. And that's one of the first companies that they have acquired. There are going to be more that they will be acquiring. This is to improve their product. Other companies that they will be acquiring are to sell their products or to replace existing, the way current prototyping and production of circuit boards is done. So that's Nano Dimensions. Next is Yehika, $8.25 there, $8.25. You can take a look at the trends there. Next is Zogan, Compugen, Lending Club. I'm going to hover over these really fast, and you can pause the video to take a look. Otherwise, it will become a really long video. Lending Club Corp. And then you have Celtics ADR. Sorry, this is Celtics ADR. Then you have 3D Systems Corp. This is another 3D company, 3D printing company they're very bullish on. Or maybe they're buying the dip, who knows? Butterfly Networks, again, buying a lot of dip there. Z Holdings. Workhorse Group, another one where they've been buying the dips quite a bit. CM Life Sciences. Exxon. Exxon has a little bit different curve there in terms of buying the shares. They are not buying anymore. They're just keeping what they have right now for past couple of months, looks like. If you look at the shares trend, they bought a lot, then they reduced a bit, and then they kept it at that level. And then you have Base Inc., Discovery Limited, Ping An Healthcare, Chinese company, agriculture, I think. Oh no, this is healthcare. Then you have Woozy. Woozy is a company, smart glass company, very bullish. ARK is very bullish on this company. Many other people are very bullish on this company, bought by Microsoft. If I'm not wrong, they have been buying a lot of this. Again, 10x, almost 10x growth in number of shares that they hold for this company. Virgin Galactic, another one that many people are complaining about. Why did they sell stock in this? And only reason I could see is because they wanted to invest in high growth companies, hyper growth companies. So this is ticker symbol SPCE, invested in two of the ETFs there. As you can see, they keep on buying, and then more recently they have sold quite a bit. And the stock price has been going downwards. Not only ARK has sold stock in this, even Richard Branson, who's the owner of the company, has sold quite a bit, and Chamath Palihapitiya as well, whose SPAC it was or is. He has also sold a lot. AquaBounty Technologies, again, going down quite a bit over time. I have been following this company since last year when it was a penny stock, and now back in the penny stock range. As you can see, it went all the way to $11. So since end of January, it has plummeted down, and they have reduced their position too. So probably not a lot confident in this, not a lot of confidence in this. I think there are a lot more, so I'm going to quickly hover over these, and then you can take a look at Jaws Spitfire, the recent one. So not a lot of data points there because it's a very recent one. This guy, SLM, Experience, Surface, One. This is a SPAC as well, merging with Drones company, I think. Or no, Atlas Crest is the one, which is Drone company. One is again 3D company, I think, if I'm not wrong. A1. I'll have to quickly look at it again, but yeah, those are a couple of companies that have featured in previous videos. Evogen, genomics company. Pluristem, Desktop Metal, 3D printing company. Again, Chamath's SPAC, Chamath Palihapitiya SPAC. Reinvent, Intercure, Origin, ITU, and Local Control. So these are some of the companies. There are a lot more. As you can see, I'm not going to cover all of them, but their confidence level, as you can see, there are very little investment in those. So confidence level is low in those anyways right now. So I'm not going to go over all of those. But yeah, just to sort it by stock price, just to take a look at it, just for fun. Let's see what is the lowest. Oh, they are invested in one which is even lower than $1. ITMR Medical in Genomics, Israel company. Bizek just above $1. Batum, Robo Group, and Ceragen. This we already went over, I think. So those are the low price, and perhaps some of them are high confidence. Not all of them, obviously. As you can see, they sold some of the stock and kept some of them too. So that's your daily dose, guys. I hope you have a great weekend ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.